better. But you got senses. Fugano. Now we see. Baby, you don't take better. Mukona better. But you got senses. Seka. Seka. Mukona better. Now we might go to. Mukona better. Now we might go to. Seka. Mukona better. Now we might go to. Oh no, kai. Mukona better. Now we might go to. Seba mama, you come in. I don't know where that road. Oh nobody, man, don't you know where that's. Yes, I did not figure on the first. I'm going to give you the English. I'm going to go away and take the office. I left. I'm going to go in. To go to figure. I'm going to have the first. I'm going to go police. Baby, you come and baby first. Hey! Together! Come on, come and pretend you're not the best. 1, 2, 3. Let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Stop together. When I am gonna, what finish? The feeling of the Azuka. Hey, message you Azuka. Message you Mopano. Mopano. Said Nachuka. The feeling of the Nachuka. 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 Message you Mopano. Temperature was wet. Lola Kuka Pima. Message Pamela. So they just say, Mommy, got to know. Them got to know. You lift them, look good. You make us sit up. But I down them, you debunk them. You want somebody, baby, show them. Me like to feel your body like a program. They come and get me wanna jump it up my own. You're my superstar. Monicano, I love you. mubisi w'abacayinga from the concert kulusenga manangoye wakona kona weyanzije mabega wapuza unza ewalomubyo mutwe neboli kola ntasigala kwekutse owanayina welitamya nsigala kwekutse wankula mabeca agomaze mumuka nembewo mpulireca kyogola bandekerebeca oli mulungi baba olinanya mufaananya atanaba oli mulungi baba welinanya mufaananya atanaba ulira ze ndi mulungi baba olinanya mufaananya atanaba genda kugambako ne baba olirengeri gyonyonyogera nga tesena mikono gyo nalulungi gwe walinga olaba tugende wakoonakona emwazi gyemabega wapuuzawuuza omubbi omutwe nebaolikola otasigala nkwekute onaayina webitonya bisigala nkwekute bananga bagisiba nga bagamba nti ani ayimba waawo ani ayimbye